What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, I'm coming at y'all with another hat unboxing. Y'all already know what it is. I do have some Hat Club heat to show y'all today. I have 3 Hat Club boxes here, but I also have another hat pickup to show y'all. This box right here. So this is from Billion Creation, a company that I've never ordered from before. So we're gonna crack that open together and see what it's looking like. And of course, I have some of y'all fitted hat questions that I didn't get to in the last video, so I'm gonna be answering those while I open everything up. Let's get to it. So I want to start with this box from Billion Creation because I've had this sitting here since like the first week of July, just trying to find an unboxing that I could fit it into. I found Billion Creation from my Instagram Explore page. That's all I see on Instagram now. Fitted hats, sneakers, and puppies. That's all my Instagram shows me. Alright, so it did come in like a little bag. That's always a nice touch. Keep the hat clean during transit. Let's open this up. I can show y'all what I picked up. So this is actually gonna be my first Padres hat. If you like the San Diego Padres or you just like picking up Padre hats, definitely check out Billion Creation because they drop a ton of Padres hats and they're all, you know, unique, different colors, different front logos, a different type of vibe. I like this one because I think it's pretty clean. What do y'all think down below in the comment section? I like the combination of navy and orange. Any combination of blue and orange is usually a vibe because they're complementary colors. Gray bottom on this one. It's just clean. Real simple, real nice. No side patch on this one, but I have plenty of hats that have a side patch. Got some Batman action right there. Take a look at that. Orange, navy. This is like a raised Batman kind of situation. Orange New Era logo. And then you got the Padres P on the front. I've never seen this Padres logo before picking up this hat. So that's another reason why I picked it up. I've personally just never seen it before. Let me give y'all another look at that. Navy P with the white outline, and then you have another orange outline. It's hitting in my opinion, but y'all let me know what y'all think. And one more time, Billion Creation. The tag on here says $41.99, but I'm pretty sure I paid $37.99. I don't know if there was like a first time buyer discount involved. I'll have to look at my receipt, but I'm pretty sure that I paid $37.99, which is not bad at all. And the sizing checks out. 7 1/8 on the sticker, 7 1/8 on the inside, and the hat is made in Bangladesh. Normally I don't mention where the hats are made from, Bangladesh versus China, but now I am because it's a great segue into our first question. Somebody asked me, do I prefer New Era hats that are made in Bangladesh or New Era hats that are made in China? If you didn't know, there is a difference between the hat. What I'll try to do when I'm editing this video is put a dead stock New Era made in Bangladesh hat on one side, and I'll put a dead stock New Era made in China hat on the other side, so y'all can see the differences side by side for yourself. I prefer the China hats just because they fit my face a little bit better, but I feel like as a consumer, I try not to think about it too much because it's not something that I have any say in. By the time the hats get to me, it was made where it's made, Bangladesh, China, either way, I already bought the hat. But I actually have a question for y'all down below in the comment section. Let me know if you prefer made in China New Era hats. Do you soften the crown of your Bangladesh hats? Do you like round it out a little bit so that it looks a little bit more like a made in China hat? Let me know that down below in the comment section. So we're gonna get into the Hat Club boxes now, and I wanna start with this big one. Picking up some more of these was a must. And it's 2 more of the Hat Club 30 hat duffel bags. I picked up 2 of them. I have shown these on the channel before, but someone asked what's the best way to store hats, and this is how I store my hats. I don't think that there's a best way to store hats. It really just depends on how many hats you have and how much space you have. I've seen people use the racks, you know, the ones with the shelves. I've seen people peg up the hats on the wall, which is a cool look, but I'm a sneaker collector in addition to collecting hats, so I need all the space that I can get, but I still want to be able to see my hats and protect them from dust. So the duffel bag works out perfectly for me. When you first open these up, they are very compact to fit into the packaging, but once you start filling the bag with hats, it opens up and it forms around them. It's also easy for me to put back the hat I was wearing and take out whatever hat I want to wear the next day. I don't have to make a crazy mess trying to take out one or a few hats. I've heard some people say they don't like the duffel bags because when you put your hat back in the bag, the brim flattens out, so your curve is gone. But honestly, the curve in your hat is going to flatten out gradually regardless, whether it's in a bin, a bag, whatever. They also have like this hanging tab tab. So if you want to hang the bags from your wall, you could do that as well. That's another option. So that's kind of like a review slash update on the Hat Club duffel bag. I'm still using them. They're still working out great for me. It's the best way to store hats for me. Next Hat Club box. If y'all remember when I did my Aux pack unboxing, I told y'all I was waiting on one more hat to get to me. This is that hat. In my opinion, this hat was a sleeper. Y'all can let me know what y'all think. The Jay-Z Yankees. Did anyone else pick this one up? I think it's pretty clean. I know it's not everyone's style, but personally, I think this one really was a sleeper. Black crown, metallic silver Yankees logo on the front. It's hitting. Look at that. Beautiful 99 patch, black, white with a little bit of the metallic silver in there as well. White and black batterman on the back. It's a flat batting man. Tonal Noir logo with the gray bottom, keeping it simple, keeping it classic. White sweatband on this one. This hat right here, that wheat Timberland looking Yankees joint, and the ASAP Rocky one, they sat for a little while, so I was able to scoop this one and use some points on it. Last question before I crack open this last box, and it's a question I've been getting a lot recently. Do I only buy hats from Hat Club? The answer is no, and I feel like I've answered this question on the channel before, but maybe just not fully. If you go back in the channel, I've unboxed a lot of hats since 2019. Different types of hats, different brands, different designers. Go ahead and check out the older content. A lot of y'all are new, and so you've only seen the Hat Club unboxings. Now, I do buy a lot of Hat Club hats because I like the creativity and the details that go into their hats, but I don't only buy Hat Club hats. Also, all of the hats that I buy are for me. They're not for sale, they're not for trade. They're going in my duffel bags for me to wear. I'm not looking to get rid of them now or in the future. Hopefully that answers that question. Now it's time to get into the box that I'm sure y'all been waiting for. The Hat Club cereal pack. I'm probably gonna upload this video around 6, 7, 8 o'clock. So, depending on when you're watching this, we about to have some breakfast for dinner. And the first hat I'm gonna show y'all, y'all not gonna believe that I picked this one up. The Detroit Tigers. If y'all know me, I normally go for the letter logos. I don't pick up the animals unless they really, really grab my attention, like the Cubs Winter Fresh earlier this year. But I had to get this one. And I gotta have at least one coked out tiger, LSD tiger in the collection, right? So that's why I went ahead and picked this one up. Probably a surprise for a lot of y'all that watch the channel regularly. And the color combination on this one is just crazy. I mean, look at that. He looks out of his mind. The orange with the blue, orange UV on this one. Like I said earlier, I love the combination of orange and blue. A nice looking Tiger Stadium patch on the side. One of my favorite Detroit patches. The batting man has some black, white, and orange in it. It's a flat batting man. Tonal Noir logo. See, this is a very nice looking hat. I could definitely see why people collect that coked out tiger front logo. The details in there, it's just wild looking. I really like that. I hope that I don't go on a hunt for them now. I really don't want to go down that rabbit hole. White guts on the inside, and this hat is made in China, so I might actually use this one for the example. What's the saying for Frosted Flakes? Frosted Flakes are more than good, they're great, and this is a great hat. The Frosted Flakes in this next hat are a tie for my favorite out of the cereal pack, and it's the Blue Jays joint, the Toronto Blue Jays. Y'all know I love a red hat. I can't pass up a red hat. But the front logo on this one, the front logo goes crazy. There's like two different types of green inside the T. It's like a lime green and a darker green, and then you got the outline, and it kind of has like a shiny effect to it. It doesn't look metallic, but it definitely looks a little bit shiny, like it's really jumping out at you. You got the yellow, white, and the blue outline on there. Let me let it focus so y'all can really get a good look at that. Even the collectors who don't like a lot of colors normally gotta be rocking with this one, just for the nostalgia alone. You got the green button on top, and the side patch, the colors inside this side patch. It looks just like the Trick cereal box. You got some blue, yellow, green. There's a little bit of purple in there. That's crazy. Flat batting man on the back with the blue, white, and the purple. Tonal Noir logo. And the brim on this one is Kelly green. This is a really, really nice hat. I can't wait to wear this one. I don't know what sneakers I'm gonna wear this with yet, because the colors is going crazy, but I'm gonna figure it out. And you also have the Toronto Blue Jay in there. For those of y'all who really like the Blue Jay, you still get the Blue Jay. It's inside the patch. It's there. As always, down below in the comment section, let me know what y'all thought about today's unboxing. And if you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show us more YouTubers some love, and I'll check y'all out in the next one.